was a great time. Just after Nasdaq acquired OMX, we had to implement European regulation called MiFID I, and we had to change the whole infrastructure. We had to change our trading system, our clearing system, we have to build co-location, so we have to change the whole infrastructure. And to do that, it was great to have a very strong business partner who have done that before, Nasdaq. So I actually saw quite many benefits, and at that point in time, I was responsible for our equity and equity derivative business out of Europe, and to have a strong business partner with the skills, competence was a great help for us. First of all, what is very important for me is I think we have become much more innovative, we have been much more customer-focused organization, but what is important for me is also we have become so much more global, and I think we have become a clear and strong industry leader. So whatever Nasdaq does is something that all the other exchanges or marketplaces look upon, whether it's from a technology point of view, transaction point of view, or data and index point of view. So we have become a very strong industry exchange leader. I think what I really like, there's been many great moments, but I think what I really like, and it is important for me, is the launch of our strategy last year. So having Adina taking the leadership for Nasdaq, and we launched a new strategy, and from a GIS point of view, of course, the acquisition of eVestment, which was connected to the launch of our strategy. That is probably the best moment. Looking back in 2008, Nasdaq had many great components. We were strong on technology. If you combine the teams we had in Stockholm and the teams we had at Nasdaq in US, we were also strong on the listing brand. We were strong on transactions. But I think what really strikes me is that we have actually been able to work even better as a team. And now I see us as a strong industry leader. So I think actually the fact that we had many components, we had that back in 2008, but that we are combining it better, and now as seeing a strong global industry leader is important. The fact that we spent time defining the new strategy for Nasdaq, now we're executing on the strategy, I think that is what is most important for me. First of all, we have become much more innovative, but we're also much more client-focused. But most importantly, I think we have become so much more global. So all other exchanges look at Nasdaq when it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to execution on the business. So we have become an industry leader, which all other exchanges and marketplaces work with or copy when it comes to business and execution.